Today, I need to get up. That burn pile that I created, that big old burn pile, is right up there. I need to get up there and get that pile burned down. But you can't do that without starting a fire with dry wood. All that stuff was freshly cut. My daughter, oh, hello, kitty. My daughter and her friend, who stayed over last night, burned as much as they could last night, and now I got to get the rest burned up so I can take this wheel and locate all of my bur oak trees that we're planting next year. So stick around. I'm going to get at that. We got these barrels pretty cheap last year, and I filled them with all the cutoffs when we built the run-in across the street. So we got several barrels back here. Kind of looks like a waste dump, but it's not. Just nice storage of scrap wood. All right, I'm gonna get up there and start a fire. Okay, let's see what they got here. There's their chairs. Oh, nice little table. I think they had s'mores and stuff. So this looks fairly well burnt out. If I just start a fire right here, I should be able to toss all this stuff on, no problem. The cat rode up with me. She doesn't mind the gator anymore. She used to be afraid of it, but... Okay, let's get this done. Okay, I got a fire burning. I need to go out. The girls were doing some stuff with the gator, and they took out all of my equipment, and I don't know where the hell they put it, so I got to go find my flags and stuff. See, what I'm going to try to do is get the first bur oak I want right around here somewhere. So from there, I'll measure 40 feet and put a flag every 40 feet until I get to the other end, and then see how that hits with all that garbage up there. We have the well, we have a curb stop, and we have the electricals up there. And it kind of needs to fall in between that stuff. So I'll start here where I want the first one and then adjust from there. Fire's going pretty damn good. It's nearly burned down. But I have these grapevines. They're all over the field. So I'm going to drive around. So I got some there, over there. They're just everywhere. So I'm going to drive around and collect all those up and get them cut out, throw them on the fire. talking to the neighbor that lives, well, he doesn't live, he has a little cabin way down at the end of that road. He's from the Chicago area and he just got married, and his wife will not come up here, so he's going to hunt here one last year and sell the property. We are not going to buy that property. Our neighbors, the other people down this road, friends of ours, would like to buy it. It's actually a better building site than what they have for a house, so it's good news for them. Good news for us too. You know, the fewer people that live out here, the better. I did 2 passes just up there and back, and I got the most egregious vines out of here. This would be a crafter's wet dream, all these vines here, but they're going to get burned. I still got a lot more to do, but hopefully I just want to get the stuff that I think will get tangled up in the mower, get that out of here. I'm hoping the 2,4-D, I got to spray this whole field with 2,4-D to knock down the goldenrod and other weeds, including the grape, and hopefully it kills the grape. I haven't had a whole lot of luck with 2,4-D killing grapes, and it's supposed to do a real good job of it, but I haven't seen that yet. So I'm going to get this burned up, and then I'm going to go over by the shed there. I got to figure out if I should build a stairway or a path with steps going from the back area of the shed down into the west pasture there. And then I think that's about it for today. I have to repair my daughter's curling iron, but I don't know if I'll do that today. Alright, let's get this stuff burned. Okay, that about does it. I'm not going to sit around and watch this burn. This will flare up in just a few minutes, and I'll have to come back a time or two and reorganize it, but that's about it. So I got all my positions marked. I don't think I'm going to drill those today, but I'm going to drill them with a 10-inch auger, amend the soil, put it back in the hole, and wait for next spring. Got one there, one right there, one right there, and then what do I have? 7 more up that way? I believe I got 10 altogether. There she goes. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And have yourself a great day.